Drones are changing the way we get work done, aiding construction companies, utility providers, law enforcement, hospitals, digital media agencies, and many other types of companies in critical industries. DJI's Dock 2 is the next step forward in unlocking autonomous, repeatable missions and remote operations. As a drone-in-a-box solution for the DJI M3D and M3TD, these drones are built to handle a heavy workload. To get the most out of your drone dock setup, the AVSS parachute for the DJI Dock 2 provides immediate compliance with government rules and regulations to properly operate the M3D or M3TD over people, beyond a visual line of sight, in remote areas, and other various challenges blocked by current laws and regulation. Installation of this parachute involves placing the unit on the PSDK port and screwing the base into the connection points on the drone itself. The parachute is able to stay on the drone as it sits inside of the dock, so it's always ready to go. Urban environments pose a challenge for drone operations as flight over people poses a risk. A critical failure of the drone can cause it to fall from the sky, potentially injuring bystanders below. With the AVSS parachute system installed, the descent rate of a failed drone is decreased, providing safe and compliant flight opportunities in busy areas. Utilizing the DJI Dock 2 on a construction site allows for daily progress images to be taken to track progression and share with key stakeholder groups that aren't physically on site. This keeps a digital log of changes made on site. Paired with the AVSS parachute, the M3D can safely fly over contractors on the ground and bystanders that aren't a part of the construction crew. The AVSS parachute system for this drone-in-a-box also allows for the flights to be conducted fully autonomously from deployment to capturing the images to landing, creating a seamless workflow with no regular human interaction needed. Law enforcement agencies can safely navigate densely populated areas by utilizing this parachute as well. The DJI Dock 2 can be ready on top of a roof, launching at a moment's notice when needed, aiding law enforcement as a critical tool in the air. With safety as a #1 priority, operations over people can become a daily routine. Coastal cities that have a busy waterway can benefit from using the DJI Dock 2 with the AVSS parachute for constant security from the air, monitoring tankers and other vessels as they come and go, and searching for any debris in the port. Cities that deal with frequent flooding can also use this drone to monitor the shoreline and track changes and damages. Managing key assets across a county can be a time-consuming job. With the help of drones in docks, automated missions can be planned to evaluate infrastructure across large areas without needing to send a representative to be there physically. Images uploaded to the cloud can be accessed remotely, and teams can be dispatched as repairs are needed, greatly improving department efficiency. With the help of the AVSS parachute, the M3D can freely fly without restrictions above urban areas, densely populated towns, or highways with heavy traffic. Hard-to-reach areas with difficult terrain like islands, deserts, mountains, and beaches can be easily monitored with the help of the DJI Dock 2. Awaiting your control, a pre-programmed mission can be scheduled to check on assets or populations from afar. Manual control can also be assumed from a remote control station to position the drone and camera in any necessary location. This allows the operator to get a better look at changing conditions or situations. To comply with regulatory measures, utilizing the AVSS parachute for maximum safety will allow you to operate the M3D and M3TD out of your line of sight without a visual observer for truly remote operations. The DJI Dock 2 is a powerful solution for remote operations, and when paired with the AVSS parachute, it unlocks the full potential of the DJI M3D. With the ability to conduct operations out of line of sight and over people, the dock can be placed in urban environments and desolate areas for remote operation. This overall saves time and valuable resources for a more productive future.